India established itself a prominent global food manufacturing hub. The World Food India, organized by Ministry of Food Processing Industries, has created a unique platform which brings together various stakeholders of the food processing industries to discuss, deliberate, and envision the future of this sunrising sector. This event spotlights important issues, area of innovation, and sets the growth agenda to further advance the food industry as part of India's incredible growth story. At Kenvue, we are super delighted to partner with World Food India for its first time with our iconic brand 𝗓𝗲 as the official hydration partner for World Food India. 𝗓𝗲, which has pioneered electrolyte drinks in the ready-to-drink format in the country. And we are so proud to contribute to India's food manufacturing industry, playing our part in driving employment generation and continuous innovation and value addition.